Okay, so we're putting some race gas in the bike now. So I got some a brand new can of C12 racing fuel from probably 12 years ago. And then we got 3 gallons of premium California crappy pump gas. Supposedly high test. Don't believe that for a second. And the racing gas is still nice and green like it should be. So now I'm going to pull our spark plug out and see what it looks like here.
The crappy gas?
Well, they were black. It runs pretty good out there. Yeah, it's not burning it up.
That's pretty good.
Doesn't look too lean. It was running rich before, so.
Why don't you just drop it
On the trailer?
drop it on it?
On what? The electrode?
Yeah.
Does it matter? I'm not using that plug. I'm going to use these new plugs.
Well, then throw it away. Stick it around.
These are champions anyway. They came with the bike.
The POS champions with the POS bike?
Yeah, that's how it came.
Okay.
Yeah, they're equal now. Look at that, Fred. And that's with that 5-year-old pump gas mixed with 1 gallon of with street gas. They're equal now. Look at it. Both cylinders are running equal.
Yeah.
There's no oil on them either. Yeah. Here, can you pull these out for me? I need 2 of them. Usually I run 8s. Do I run 8s or 7s in this thing? I think we'll run 7s. Usually I run cold plugs, but I don't know. It's just a race bike. So I run 8s or 7s. Yeah. Thinking. Yeah, I don't know really. I don't like those. I didn't bring the other ones. We have to use those, Fred. I didn't bring the 8s.
Such a clown.
Well, I have them at home.
Well, yeah, you got a lot of stuff at home. Or in the mountains.
Is that gap correctly? It's got a gap. More than you want. It has a gap. That's all we need.
Throw it on the trailer like you did the other one.
Oh, what's this oil over? There's oil over here, Fred.
Hey, these are pretty clean. Wow, this is amazing. He's actually breaking out brand new spark plugs.
I do that like once every 5 years on my race bikes.
Could it be that... never mind.
Could it be that I'm cheap? Or the plugs don't wear out in 5 miles?
They don't hardly wear out in 5 miles.
They do with nitrous.
You burn something else up before you burn the spark plug.
No, the spark plug usually gets burnt too. I used to burn the tips off the plugs all the time back in the day. But that's on nitrous. Gas motors don't usually tear the plugs up that bad.
Check them. Take it out. Show this.
Oh. I can't see anything.
Looks like it's gonna be good.
Yeah, I can't see anything now. There's some dust clouds. That's all I can see.
There's a little soft spot there, but
Yeah, well, there you go.
put a mile out.
Yeah, go way down there. I can't tell if we're filming anything or not. He's out of view. Look through the trailer. There he is, down through the trailer. See, way down there. Look through the inspection trailer, motorcycle inspection trailer. There you go. What'd it say? See if they say how fast it went. Should be back to normal. Turn the CD on, you can hear it.
What CB?
Oh, this one doesn't have it. The FM too. They have FM. You notice the only oil leak is where I didn't work on the primary. Where the belt drive is.
Why is there oil in the belt drive?
I don't know. I drained it, but it's still got oil in it.
You haven't announced it yet, or if you have, this ice cream truck ruined it.
Yeah. They probably won't. They don't want you doing that. But the ice cream guy's here.
Well, I'm glad I have my tailgate for shade.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Except when you banged your head on this morning.
Well,
That wasn't fun.
oh, there's my truck.
You get your truck on there?
Oh, no, maybe that's not it. I saw the one I like. It's on. I shot a short film on it.
Oh, there's one over you like?
Well, it's a Chevy C-Class. Slow down, man. I guess he's leaving.
Probably should bring a screwdriver with me to adjust the carburetor. You think this is gonna blow off now that it fell off?
I don't know. Might.
Oh, Jesus. 300-pound fork turn. At least that didn't loosen up. I didn't tighten these down. Maybe I should. Oh, there's still gas in there. There's a lot of gas in there.
Something must have happened. I bet that.
There's a lot of gas in there still.
Couldn't do the sensible thing of dumping 4-year-old gas into a bucket and getting rid of it.
I know I heard the word sensible, and I know that's had nothing to do with me.
Well, that's what I said. Didn't do the sensible thing of just dumping the crap. Well, you could just put it in the other 4-year-old gas.
This is the 4-year-old gas.
What did I just say?
This is the stuff. Why am I pulling a spark plug wire?
I don't know, Tatro.
Couldn't you have 3 hours of sleep on top of 4 hours of sleep? On top of the 6 hours sleep, on top of the 3 hours sleep. Could it be any of those?
Could be. Any of a number of things.
Appears to be a gas leak, Chris. Well, the other thing I didn't do, I didn't see what the petcock is supposed to be to get max.
It's actually pushing, it's dumping straight back.
Okay, max flow is right there, not where I had it. So max flow is right where the inlet head is here. Are you saying there's a leak in my cap?
Did you loosen the cap so it lets it out?
If it doesn't flow with that gas cap on, how's it going to run?
You're leaking out the pan there, Tatro.
Is there a hole in my pan?
It appears to be.
Is this like the dike where you better put your finger over it?
Yeah. You don't have to fill the pan up to dump it out.
It's not full.
You don't have to fill it even halfway full.
How about this far? Where's my funnel?
By the way, you got a big giant hole in the side of the pan on that side.
What, the one it's coming out of?
Yeah, there.
Hey, it's getting clean now. Why is it running out of gas?
Well, I'm glad you didn't ride this turd around for however long it took to run out of gas.
It was running out of gas.
Of course, I've been sitting here waiting for you to run out of gas so I could go over there and watch what's going on over there, but that's okay. I got nothing else to do.
There's a lot of gas still in here, Fred. I could be riding all day with this fuel.
You could have been riding, could have rode back
This isn't like
halfway.
a nitro bike where it just goes right through it. It takes a
Been
while.
ridden halfway back to San Diego now.
Probably could have. You think it would have
Jeez.
made it that far, though?
Did you even pay attention how much gas? Does it have like a... I thought this was a new bike. Doesn't it have a gas cage or whatever?
Right there is maximum flow. Somewhere right there. Gas gauge? Yeah, it has a reserve. I'm on the reserve.
Well, it's not an old bike.
It is an old bike.
It's not an old bike. What year is it?
Old what?
Well, I mean, old compared to 2025, but
It's made like a 90s Softail, so think of an early 90s Softail, that's the same thing.
yeah.
Except it has a crappy electronics all-in-one box. It was wasting my time yesterday trying to get handlebars fixed.
Blah, 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 blah.
Right there is max flow, right?
Up here's, oh, there's a little scooter.
There's a motorcycle.
Scooter going down range. Oh, missed the gear.
It's not cropping like it was. They must have leaned it out about 5 jet sides.
I don't know. I don't think that was a different bike.
Oh. Did you know you're supposed to get going? And
One dude, look, he got on the bike. He looked about 6'7", and he was on a little scooter. He couldn't even get his feet to the dang shifter. That was
can't
pretty
even ride the
funny.
bike.
Oh,
It's
anyhow.
not leaning down at all on it.
Well, maybe that was the same guy because he's got a horse trailer.
The yellow bike. Yeah.
always thought getting a horse trailer is a good idea for motorcycles. These guys seem to prove it, except that bicycle's like...
There's a problem with a horse trailer. They stink.
Well, not if you're not pooping in them. My point is a horse trailer would have been able to carry heavy horses, meaning Harley horsepower, whatever. There's a second part to that. We've had horses, thanks to my dad, since 1999. Eating and a pooping since 1999.
That's what they do.
2 and 1, 1 and 2, and...
Fred, it's running out of fuel finally.
Wow. I'm glad you decided not to try and run out of gas while I was sitting here waiting.
I thought it was out of gas. It was crapping and farting and banging like it was. Maybe something happened inside the carburetor now. Fred, it's out of gas now.
Am I going to continue to film or what?
Should I hook up the fuel line too or leave it off? We can come back if you want. I don't care.
Yeah.
It's just YouTube.